You have to pour water. Eden, I forgot to put you the towel.
Oh, okay.
You have to pour water so that you don't become nurse.
Okay.
You have to pour water here. And these two, you're doing these two and then you finish. Okay? Because it will be 6 p.m. Gonna be putting our conditioner. And then put your head near me. You have to use conditioner here. Apply like this. You have to use too much conditioner. Too much conditioner. Otherwise it's not going to detangle. Or how do you say it? It's gonna be painful. So I'm using like too much. I have to be also considerate because I still have some to use there. Some like this. And then I have to wipe my hands first. I have this lice comb. This is for removing lice in the hair. So you can use this or you can use the other comb, the one you choose, but I prefer this. So his hair has really grown. Like nywele yake imegrow sana. Hiyo yote nywele ya mtoto wangu hii yote. Hebu ona. I make picture. You have to pour water. Eden, I forgot to put you the towel.
Oh, okay.
You have to pour water so that you don't become nurse.
Okay.
You have to pour water here. And these two, you're doing these two and then you finish. Okay? Because it will be 6 p.m. Gonna be putting our conditioner. And then put your head near me. You have to use conditioner here. Apply like this. You have to use too much conditioner. Too much conditioner. Otherwise it's not going to detangle. Or how do you say it? It's gonna be painful. So I'm using like too much. I have to be also considerate because I still have some to use there. Some like this. And then I have to wipe my hands first. I have this lice comb. This is for removing lice in the hair. So you can use this or you can use the other comb, the one you choose, but I prefer this. And then you come and start doing like this. You open it like this. Let me show them this one until you finish. Let me show them this one. I'm opening it. So
Mama, I see this airplane.
Emirates. Okay.
Emirates.
Okay. Let me show people how I'm removing their hair because you're almost done. So when you're doing this, expect nywele itatoka. Like, don't expect it to be like the way it was. You see some hair coming off. That's when you have to expect it. It's something you have to expect, but it's not coming off too much. But the hair has really grown. It's really long. Yeah, put your head still, please. So, you know, if you have dreadlocks, I didn't know you can do something like this. You can remove your dreadlocks. I should have done my dreadlocks and I asked someone to remove it for me. Having the same hairstyle is so boring. So, you can see, no, you can comb like that and then you continue. So, you do like this. One dreadlock takes about 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes. It depends on how long you are. But this one for my son, they take around 10 minutes. 10 minutes to finish one of them. So you have to make sure it's not painful for him. He has to be also comfy with it when you're doing it.
Comfy.
Yeah.
Comfy.
So this is how I've been doing it. As you can see, this one's already ready. I haven't done this. I've now made box braids, or what do you call it? So it's a lot of work, guys. A lot of work. That's why I said it will take about 10 minutes or 20 minutes to finish one. If you're doing this, you better have geduld, patience, because if you don't have, you cannot undo them. And the person sitting down also has to wait. Must wait. Must learn to wait.
Must learn to wait.
Much hair. These are the amount of the hair we have lost. You see? So now you're using also, like I said, you're using this to undo the hair. It's a lice comb. Just do it like this, and then you put it inside here, and then you just like this, just comb it. I've been combing it like this, like you just put it inside here, and then my son is really moving his head, so I cannot show you well like that. I can't. So I'm undoing the dreadlocks. So that took us 5 minutes. Or, yeah, 5 minutes to do this. So guys, at the moment we have done undoing all these dreadlocks. As you can see, all these sides we have undone them, and the hair is really long. Like the hair is really long. So, but here's the dreadlocks. His hair is very long, as you can see. Let me finish, Baba. The hair is very long. I still have to undo this, but not today. I'm gonna undo this day 2 of undoing them. So, but his hair is very long, as you can see. Of course, there's some parts coming off, but his hair is really long. This is how many years dreadlocks? I don't know.
6 years.
So guys, we are now done making the hair. We have opened all the dreadlocks. We've opened everything. I'm just combing it out.
The scene depicted chaos and destruction as the bridge gave way, causing traffic mayhem and leading to an emergency response.
So everything is now. This is now box braid. Everything is box. We have opened all the dreadlocks. See, his hair is very long. And yeah, picture mzuri ya thumbnail, mtu anaye very long. 2-year dreadlocks. So I'm just gonna box braid here again. I want to wash his hair tomorrow. That's why I'm just box braiding now, so that it doesn't feel the pain tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and to share. Bye bye. So guys, this is the last step. I forgot to remove this one. I had put rastas after opening it. I was putting rastas. That's why I've opened all the rastas right now. As you can see, the hair is opened and his hair is long, very long. So he has spring hair. So when you open it, you think it's short, but he's having a very long hair, as you can see. This is a 2-year dreadlock. I thought it was 4 years, but before it turned 2, I was putting some box hair on his box thing on his hair. But right now, before 2 years ago, he got dreadlocks. I put dreadlocks 2 years ago, so it's a 2-year dreadlocks. Let me make a picture of the thumbnail, and then yeah.